this exercise to practice maneuvering the aircraft in a tighter pattern and to improve your skills at the controls when the aircraft changes orientation. You will need 4 cones positioned in a straight line approximately 3 to 4 feet apart. Take off from the pad and ascend a few feet. Serpentine around the cones, working your way around the last cone and back to the start. Make sure that the aircraft is always facing in the direction of flight. Repeat the exercise several times and then land on the pad.